Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the channel once again. Hope all of you are doing fine. It's Friday evening and you can see clear sunlight in Moscow. And I got to know about a special screening of the Bose Legacy, a documentary on Subhash Chandra Bose and his brother Sharat Chandra Bose being held in JNCC, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Cultural Center under the Indian Embassy. So after office, I took a metro from Marxistskaya to Kurskaya. That is the nearest metro station of Indian Embassy. The JNCC as well as the Indian Embassy is situated at the Vorontsov Street in Moscow. There was a QR code based registration process for attending the documentary, and you must carry your original passport while you are entering the Indian Embassy. This documentary is directed by Mumbai based director Nikhil Katara. It's available in English only, and it is adapted from the book The Bose Brothers and the Indian Independence, an insider's account by Madhuri Bose. It is published by, and the documentary is performed by Santanu Ghatak, Asif Ali Beg and Asmit Pathare. There is an inaugural speech by Anita Bosu Path, that is the daughter of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And I would suggest you, if you get a chance to see this documentary, you must, because it describes the days when Subhash Chandra Bose was in jail, how he escaped, and what were his thoughts, how he approached Russia and other things, which all of us are not aware of. He is really the unsung hero of Indian independence, and the movie which was released had the correct title, Bose, the Forgotten Hero.
Do not get unnerved in the least. You're a good boy. Attend diligently to your study.
Where does a person find the freedom to think? At home, or when he walks the streets of his country unafraid? In a library or in an university?
For our countrymen at home to organize an armed revolution and to fight the British army of occupation that has modern arms. This task must therefore devolve on Indians living abroad, and particularly on Indians living in East Asia.
During that time,
Communal segregation or religious quarantine is neither desirable nor feasible.
but the date was set. On the 15th of August, the British would leave India, and India broken into parts. Baba accepted that now partition was inevitable, but he still continued to hope. মাঝে আছে দেশ এক সকল দেশের সেরা, সে যে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি। দেশের সেরা সে যে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, সকল দেশের রানী সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্ম।
Q&A session was also held after the documentary. This is the beautiful premises of the Indian Embassy. After the documentary, a dinner was hosted by the JNCC for the attendees, and there was biryani, both veg and non-veg, along with raita, and it tasted just wow. Although I came by metro, while returning I took a bus, and the nearest bus stoppage was around 800 to 900 meters away. So along this beautiful path I took a walk towards this bus stop. During the summer in Moscow, you can see plenty of super bikes like this.